Good YouTube, welcome back. DubDigital. We all should know that. Crypto news, macro trends. I got an article from CoinDesk here. Microsoft partners with Wave Enterprises to tokenize industrial assets. So that sounds cool. I mean, Microsoft is a big company. We're seeing a lot of these companies partnering with blockchains now. Last bull run, we didn't see none of this, guys. Remember that. Now it's so common, we forget that it's a big deal. I don't remember any kind of partnerships like this. In the last bull run, if there was a partnership made with Microsoft, IBM, whatever, boom, through the roof. The price would have been through the roof. If you're new, it was crazy. But now, we're seeing like legit partnerships. We're seeing memorandums of understanding being signed between corporations and blockchain projects, and the price is staying the same. Wild, but it won't be that way for long. I think everyone's still stuck in a disbelief phase. But I'm going on a tangent here. Let's get to it. Wave's corporate arm is planning on working with Microsoft's Russian subsidiary, in part to create an asset tokenization platform for company equipment. Wave's enterprise said Wednesday it had signed a 5-year memorandum with Microsoft Russia to work jointly on corporate blockchain solutions for Mother Russia. Wave's platform is Moscow's base tokenization project. Wave's enterprise was founded in July of last year to offer services to corporate clients on private blockchains. Although nothing has been confirmed, Wave said both sides wanted to use the blockchain for new supply solutions as well as the tokenization of industrial assets. So what exactly does that mean? Because I can't tell you, I've done too much research into Wave. However, that sounds like supply chain management and inventory kind of stuff. That sounds like a VeChain competitor kind of thing. An industrial asset is a catch-all term that can refer to anything from heavy machinery to basic office equipment. Microsoft Russia CEO Kristina Tikhonova, you like my accent? I know you do, said the partnership was a push towards the country's business sector getting to grips with the blockchain technology. Okay, so this article is very deceiving. It's a little deceptive, It lures you in with Microsoft and then it tells you Russia's behind it. Well, I'll take it, I believe the bigger the partnership, the bigger the scope, the more the adoption, because the bigger the exposure, right? Microsoft's big, Russia's bigger. Why is a country always bigger than a company? James, companies are international. Companies have customers from all over the world. Why wouldn't you prefer a company over a country? Well, I'll tell you why, YouTube. I'll tell you why. It's because a country has all kinds of power over the people that live in it. A company can't do a mandated use of such X and X service, blockchain service, but Russia can. And you know what? Given Russia's kind of low-key authoritative history, they probably will. Not financial advice, and this is just speculation on my part, but I could see how this is going. We got Russia, we got China, we got all these pretty top-down ruling authoritative countries adopting certain blockchains. Well, we know one thing, they like controlling stuff. So they're not going to have 10 blockchains to do the same thing. That's too much to manage. They're just going to have a couple. And it's worth keeping an eye on, in my opinion, from an investment standpoint. Worth keeping an eye on Waves and to see how this partnership progresses. After I finish this video here, I'm gonna go jump on TradingView and check out how that chart looks and see if that price has rose in front of this event. Because if it hasn't, I can't see how this can't be a big deal in some point. We go on to read in the article, the tie-in will look at the interplay between blockchain and cloud technologies. Waves Enterprise said it will also build a data analytics solution based on Microsoft Azure, the company's cloud computing service. In April, Russia's Ministry of Communications officially recognized Wave as a potential technology provider of the future government initiative. Okay, so they being Waves has secured two things that are super a big deal, guys. They've secured a memorandum of understanding with Microsoft Russia to help track and inventory industrial equipment, which can range from actual industrial equipment to office supplies. And then also they've got on the Ministry of Communications of Russia's real website or wherever they announced this, stating that yes, we are looking into Waves. Okay, guys, now we get into some investment theory here. Why when you buy a cryptocurrency, why does it rise in price? Well, it rises in price because the market recognizes that there's value in this thing that you may have bought lower than it is now. That difference between what you bought it at and where it goes is called profit. I don't know about you, I love profit, right? So go check this one out, because I haven't seen how it's reacted thus far in terms of price, but man, I think this is a weird position where a lot of blockchains are coming out with a lot of announcements, a lot of progress. They're actually delivering solutions, but the problem is the bear market has ruined people's hearts and souls, everyone's so hurt and jaded from that bear market. They just don't want to believe that crypto's going up, because it's gonna just crash on them one more time, and they just can't really take it, right? So us being savvy investors, we don't want to do anything. I, as a savvy investor, want to look at it as okay, is the market being overly fearful? If the market's being overly fearful, my courage can profit because I'm buying fear, right? But who knows? Maybe this thing's already skyrocketed. I'm just talking out of my ass. I don't know. DubDigital, crypto news, market trends. If you guys like the video, please hit a like and subscribe, or shoot me a comment. Always love talking to y'all. Peace.